The crash to ashes. All right, so what does the crash to ashes theory mean? Last year, in the fall of 2021, I did a Phoenix Rising theory. What does the Phoenix rising from the ashes mean? And I got to thinking, and I thought that potentially the Phoenix rising from the ashes is the stock market crashing, the housing market crashing, Bitcoin crashing, and possibly an economic collapse occurring. And then the Phoenix rising, they're going to need a solution, right? Then the Phoenix rising from the ashes would be XRP. Well, the ashes has started right now. We're seeing Bitcoin crashing. We're on the verge of, the housing market is slowing down. Potentially that could crash too. There's a food shortage. Like, that's what I talked about in the theory as well. Like, everything just crashing, potentially into a depression, like the Great Depression of 1929. And I talked about in my theory how everything's going to be crashing around. Potentially, there's a possibility with all these things crashing, people pulling their money out of the stock market, they could potentially put that money into digital assets such as XRP. So it's possible to see the price of XRP in crypto go up, but if it doesn't, it's going to be because of all the crashing going on with everything else in the world of, stock market, housing, food shortage, those types of things. So I believe the ashes is everything's starting to burn down right now, turning into ashes, and then eventually the Phoenix will rise from the ashes. They're going to need a solution. It could be an overnight solution. It could take as long as November 2022 when ISO 222 goes live. The Phoenix could possibly rise at that point when XRP, possibly XLM, could take off a little bit. We're unsure how much it could take off, but yes, it could take another 6 months before the price takes off. Some people believe it could take like a year. And some people are even telling me that they believe it could happen as early, the price could take off as early as this month, which would support my theory that I made 6 to 9 months ago of, there being a bull run in May. But it's still possible that that may not happen. In one of my videos, I said that, I was buying at 60 cents because the price could be going up, but that's because I have had several analysts tell me that the price would be going up around 50 to 60 cents. And that's what their charts and their analytical theories stated. But I was feeling that there's going to be a crash, and I was the first one talking about a crash potentially happening when everybody else was saying XRP is going to 80,000, But what I've learned is I need to trust my own intuition, because I initially was telling the group, no, I believe that a crash is coming, but everybody else was trying to say that a bull run was happening, which would support my May 2022 theory, or spring theory, But it still could take as long as, the fall of 2022 before, we could see that rise in price go up. But there's a lot of stuff happening right now, so that's why I'm not going to make any predictions right now. I just told you some possible theories. But every single prediction that I have made has occurred. When I was, there was an article that was published that said that there would be a bull run happening. So that's why I said, my May 2022 theory could be correct. Because an article was backing up that theory. So that's success in itself. At least there's an article published about a theory that I made 9 months prior. But yeah, I could definitely see a major crash happening. I did say if it goes below 57 cents, we could see a major crash down as low as anywhere from 17 to 50 cents. And now we're below 50 cents, right? Like I told you. And I said that at 61 cents. So I was saying at least 11 cent drop in price. I didn't see anybody else talk about that. So yeah, we could be experiencing some ashes. They do say buy when there's blood in the streets. So this is very important for you guys to hear, is buy when there's blood in the streets. So people are in fear and panic right now, and that's the perfect time to buy. Some people are buying right now, but the price could continue to drop lower and lower. So it's hard to know what the bottom is going to be. So that's up to you, where you want to buy in. But even if you bought at 60 cents, that's still like an amazing price. Like the cheapest, I mean, the most expensive I bought at is $1.20. But my average buy-in price is 30 cents. Is the average buy-in price that I've done. I put in a lot of money at 60 cents. But yeah, that is because I got into XRP after April 2021 when it was at $1.30. So then I put in my money at 60 cents because, you know, that's a low price. I first saw XRP at, you know, around $1.35. $1.50 actually. I saw it around $1.50. So buying in at 60 cents is super cheap. There's so many people who are buying at $1.50. So many people buying, you know, at prices higher than that. So even if you bought at 60 cents, that's still a really good deal. But this thing could go down a lot lower, like I was warning you guys about. So yeah, this could be the ashes that they were talking about. And the Phoenix will rise. So I want to tell you guys in this video that when I talk about XRP crashing, I do know that XRP will rise in the future. We could see numbers of it going to $3, $7, $1,000. It could go to $100. Like we don't know what the price is going to end up at. Some people think it could go as high as $100,000. You know, I'm not going to be that bullish. I don't want to get people's hopes up, but we really don't know what the price is going to be. And I've heard some people say that this could be the opportunity of a lifetime. This could be generational wealth. Yeah. So things are burning to the ground right now. Ashes are forming and the Phoenix will rise from the ashes. So yes, one day XRP will go to the moon, but nobody knows exactly when, except for some insiders. And I've given you guys my theories on when that might be. So, all right, thanks for watching. Subscribe for free. Subscribe for free. Yeah. Everything's for free. My information's for free. And thanks for watching. All right, see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.